Shorebird CI. We are thrilled to announce our newest product, Shorebird CI, a zero config continuous integration system built exclusively for Flutter and Dart by the very people who created Flutter. We opened this up for a small developer preview in early August and are officially launching an open beta today. As app developers, you have got a product to deliver. No one likes spending hours fiddling with fragile CI setups or wrestling with YAML and bash scripts. At Shorebird, we also got tired of configuring and maintaining our own CI pipeline, so we finally decided to build a CI solution specifically designed for Flutter and Dart. From countless conversations with customers, we kept hearing the same story. Code push made deployment instant updates effortless, but their CI pipelines were still slow, clunky and expensive. Some companies even had entire teams dedicated to maintaining CI. At Shorebird, we believe CI should be reliable, invisible and performant. Developers should be spending time building features and adding customer values, not fighting with CI pipelines and workflows. Shorebird CI focuses on several key points. Zero config. Forget giant YAML files and bash scripts. By statically analyzing your project, Shorebird CI can infer your config automatically. Say goodbye to writing and maintaining complex YAML and bash scripts. Dart native works with any Dart or Flutter project. It's always up to date with the latest Dart and Flutter changes, so you are never blocked from adopting new features. Monorepo aware. Growing into a monorepo, we handle it out of the box, so you can start small and scale without painful migration. Production quality. Our growing list of checks are designed to enforce best practices and catch bugs and inconsistencies during development to help you ship with confidence. Performant. Thanks to quick startup times and reliable change detection, we only run checks on affected code and automatically parallelize builds for maximum speed. From indie apps to Fortune 500 enterprises moving to Flutter, Shorebird CI aims to provide continuous integration that is simpler, faster and more reliable for all Flutter and Dart developers. Pricing. Much like our pricing for code push, we want to be able to serve the community and open source needs while allowing for larger customer with more extensive needs. While we are in this beta period, we have two tiers: hobby, free during public repository. This includes all Shorebird CI features, so you can run fast zero config pipelines for your community projects. Pro, a simple $20 per month. This includes 100 hours of compute per month in a secure private tenant to keep your code safe. This plan is required to use private repositories. Pricing may change after this beta period as we learn more about customer usage and more towards general availability. Our goal will always be pricing that is simple, transparent and scale with your needs. Getting started. Zero config really means no configuration. With just a quick few steps, you will have your account linked and be up and running. Check our quick start guide to get up and running in less than a minute. Once integrated, Shorebird CI automatically detects, analyzes warnings, inconsistent format, failing text, misspelled words and more. If you want to learn more about the building checks, head over to our documentation. Already have other checks you depend on? Let us know. We'll be adding more soon and prioritizing the ones our customers rely on most. What's next? We are just getting started with Shorebird CI. This beta is our chance to learn from you and find out what works well, what's missing and how we can make CI even faster and simpler for all teams of sizes. Over the coming months, we plan to add our growing list of automated checks, deliver smarter scaling for even better performance and refine our pricing model based on real world usage. We want your feedback, so please don't hesitate to provide input to help shape the future of Shorebird CI. This beta is just the beginning and we are excited to build with you. Get started today and let us know what you think.